back here sa TLS Plus. Ato nga bisita subong, makabig naton isa na kaveterano nga konsehal sa siyudad sa Bacolod. Almost 4 terms na, or to be exact, 12 years serving the city of Bacolod. Pero, kilalahon nato ang lighter side sa itong bisita. We're very happy to have with us Councilor Wilson Gamboa. Good day, Councilor.
Good day, Ma'am Lilani, and
Good day, Councilor.
Token, and to the rest of the other viewers. Good day to each and everyone.
Ako nakita ko ni si Councilor Wilson Gamboa, but hindi ko nabalaan kung sino gibala si Councilor Wilson Gamboa. Kilala ko siya as Councilor Bacolod, but ang gusto ko kita makilalaan kung ang lighter side bala ni Councilor Wilson Gamboa. Who is really Wilson Gamboa?
Okay, I am the son of the former councilor also of the city of Bacolod, who have served 4 presidents all in all. In my late father, Assemblyman Wilson Gamboa Senior, and Mrs. Telma Coloso Gamboa. We have 5 siblings in the family, 4 boys in the family and 1 girl. And dili man nagdako sa siyudad sa Bacolod all throughout my kindergarten, elementary, high school. Dira sa may St. John's Institute, Wamin. Kaga nagtapos ang akong tertiary education sa De La Salle University, major in political science and management, financial institution. And nagtapos man sang MBA sa Masters in Business sa Ateneo Graduate School of Business, and currently a doctorate degree holder sa University of Makati sa kursong Public Administration, and an undergrad 3rd-year law student sa University of St. Lazare.
Oh, see. Councilor, please tell us about your family. Bilang bata mo, bilang ng edad nila.
Okay, so my first family now. I have one child, and her name is Angela Lorraine Gamboa, and I'm married to the former Irene Chua.
Okay.
Tumandok man sang
Bacolod.
Bacolod City from a Chinese family.
Kadugo kami gali.
Half.
Half, oo.
I am also half Chinese because of my mother, Icoloso.
Okay. What's a typical day for the Gamboa family? What do you do?
Usually, I normally spend my free time in the farm. Although silinguntang Gamboa, ako abi, nakita nila sa ako as an extrovert person. But sa prangka na siguro nun, I'm more of a quiet
type.
And I like solitude more than going out in parties.
What is your definition of public service?
Public office is public trust. No, it is not for personal aggrandizement. For me, having served in itself is already a reward in a personal fulfillment.
So 12 years mo nga pagserbisyo sa siyudad sa Bacolod, you get an overview. Pag nakita mo, nabatsagan mo ano ang kinahanglan sa karon sa siyudad. Rason siguro kung ano nagpadalagan ikaw as vice mayoralty candidate. Anong pagkatutukan mo briefly sa 3 ka punto?
No, well, yes. You know what? We are now living in extraordinary times.
Yes.
The reason why I ran independent vice mayor, because this is one important election for all of us. But the most important thing sining ko na nakita ko, ma'am, amo ni ang crisis in transparency, integrity, honesty, accountability, and credibility in government. So, running vice mayor, independent in the upcoming elections, gusto ko balaya ibalik ang the long lost image of the Sangguniang Pangunsod na kung sa diin that one of integrity and responsibility nga kung sa diin nadula na inabalaya sa aton.
Councilor, nakita pa ka nga pirmi kagadlagan independent. Kag subong nagumpong ka sa grupo nga mga independent ka candidates man, no?
Yes.
Ano mahambal mo sini? Can you elaborate on this?
Well, I have always maintained my independence even during the time when I was elected as your first councilor in 2007. So, amo nang mindset ko ya always, wala ko ya siling ko sang political patrons, wala ko ya sang amo, pag wala man siling ko partida. But every time you are in the party, wala ka, may share gina mo, may sharing gina. So, mas tawhay, no? I have always maintain my independence. Every time, in fact, even kung gitawon ako sa local party to run, I always, time and again, manifest always my independence.
So, sino yung mga independent candidates na though nakita ko ginforma mo to also natagan man sila sa kailangan na makilala sa syudad?
Yes, I have 9 independent councilors. We don't have a congressman, we don't have a mayor. Wala man kami sa national. But I have 9 independent councilors, namely Alan Arroyo. These are all professionals.
Okay.
And they have never been in government before. No, maybe out of frustrations and desperations, they decided to offer themselves, which is very admirable. Among si Mr. Alan Arroyo, Ayan Kenneth Bilario, Attorney Cesar Biloria, Attorney Eduardo Padejos, businessman Rico Villaferte, Mr. Christian Weber, Pastor Walter Bong Hermosora, Mr. Chiefy Wood, and Engineer Vic Hico.
Okay,
Okay.
so 9 na talaga.
9.
So, but they are your good friends, yeah, ever since naging councilor?
No, not all of them. Some of them
Oh.
only. But you know what? I gathered them up also for practical and for our own very survival. We are up against 2 formidable political parties, amassed with resources and machinery. So I gathered them all up, telling them that we cannot survive if we are divided and scattered. So we just gathered up all together with one purpose, and that is to, yes, the desire always is to serve. And secondly, to palariyas man lang kami siling ko mga malalakas ang apog. Ang gas. You know what?
So far, kumusta ang pagbaton sa inyo sa public?
Wow, amazing. Because would you believe, because ang ining intense nga away sang piyak hanggang piyak, kami wala kami siling ko sang partido. We are welcome to both parties.
Okay. Mensahe mo sa aton ng mga
Televiewers.
televiewers.
Well, come 2022 May 9 election. No? Again, gasiling kita nga we are now in unprecedented times. No? We are living in extraordinary times. Pamuman siling ko ang ining election. This is no ordinary election. We are asked to choose our leaders to lead us in the next 3 years, but and also to the next generations to come. This is very critical. I have mentioned the challenges earlier, the crisis that we are facing now, the shortfalls and the shortages. And siling ko, this is unprecedented since the Second World War. And so therefore, siling ko, choose wisely, vote wisely. Siling gani, ma'am, we deserve to know the kind of leaders that we elect. And the leaders are just as good as the electorate. So, wala kita sang basulo. At the end of the day, whatever will be the outcome of the result of the elections, wala kita sang basulo. Kundi ourselves, because our vote matters, and dapat dumdumon tagid nga ang boto sagrado. So, kung ano man nga i-offer, kwartan man, machinery, whatever, promises among others, boto lang kita based on our own personal conscience.
Kag vote wisely.
And vote wisely.
Thank you so much, Councilor.
Councilor, thank you so much.
Yeah, the privilege and the honor has always been mine, ha? Hindi ya sa inyo. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Kami thank you so much, Councilor Wilson Gamboa.
Magkabalik kami.